Welcome to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can clear your Facebook's activity log. The activity log is everything from login into your account to the interaction you do, just like this, to share, to comment. Every single thing is called activity. Alright, so whatever thing you do in Facebook is called activity. So if you want to delete those activity log, follow the step which I will show you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, after opening Facebook, want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in the menu section of your Facebook, at the top you can see the setting icon. You want to click on setting. Now once you're inside the setting of your Facebook, at the top you can see the search setting option. You want to click on search setting option, and over here you want to write activity. Once you write activity, it's going to show you this option called activity log. You want to click on activity log and it's going to bring you to this page. Now from over here you can delete any activity you want. So I want to delete the activities of interaction, so I will go inside manage interaction. But if you want to delete other activities, you can go inside that one. Alright, so I will go for interaction for this video, and this is all the interaction I have done. Now what I can do is click on all at the top, and all the activities over here are going to be selected. And at the bottom you can see the remove option. Once you select some activities, click on remove, and it's saying this action cannot be undone. So I'm sure I want to remove them, so I will click remove and wait for some time. So it's asking for the password of my Facebook. I'll enter that. And once you enter the password of your Facebook account, Facebook activity log should be cleared. So that's how you guys can clear your Facebook activity log all at once for individually. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.